In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to not share data in ChatGPT 2026 full guide. First, we'll start by turning off the global account tracking controls. This stops new chats from piling up in your history sidebar and keeps your prompts from being used to improve the system. Open your dashboard, click your profile picture or account name in the bottom left corner, and select the settings gear. In the settings window, go to Data Controls and switch off the option labeled Improve the Model for Everyone. When this is off, your future conversations won't be used for model training. And on standard accounts, it also reduces sidebar logging so new chats aren't actively cached. Next, let's cut off contextual personalization from your broader chat footprint. Still in Settings, open the Personalization tab. Find Reference Chat History and toggle it off. This prevents the assistant from pulling in context from prior conversations to shape responses. Then disable Reference Saved Memories or open Manage Memories to clear any stored items. That step stops the AI from saving structured facts about you, like role details or recurring preferences. So each session starts with a cleaner slate. For truly isolated work, use a temporary chat. Click the Turn On Temporary Chat icon near the top of your main prompt area. You'll notice the input field darken, confirming you're in a session that won't be saved to your profile, history, or memories. These sessions are designed to bypass sidebars and memory engines entirely. Keep in mind that for platform safety, an encrypted copy may be retained on back-end systems for roughly 30 days before it's permanently removed. If your sidebar is already full, clearing old threads will tidy things up. To delete a single conversation, hover over its title on the left, click the three dots, and choose Delete. To remove everything at once, return to Settings, open Data Controls, select Clear All Chats or Delete All Chats, and confirm the prompt. Your sidebar will immediately reset to a clean workspace. Finally, know how these settings sync. Privacy choices you make on desktop apply across your account, so your official mobile apps reflect the same limits automatically. However, these consumer controls don't change how developer integrations handle data. If you use API keys in scripts or automations, those workflows follow the policies and billing rules of the developer platform separate from your chat settings, and that's it. Take a few minutes to switch off model improvements, disable history references, use temporary chat when needed, and clear any old logs. You'll have a cleaner, more private workspace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you